Hey folks, it's Super Bowl Sunday. Let's smoke us a pork tenderloin. Very, very good and overlooked, underrated. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make up our magic sauce. Now this sauce is a secret, but I'll tell you guys, but don't tell anyone else. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 1 ounce. There we go. Sorry, I can't talk and pour at the same time. But we're gonna add 1 ounce of this Killer Hogs vinegar sauce, followed by 2 ounces of the McLaur's barbecue sauce. And now we're gonna stir this all in together, get this nice and blended. So now that combination, that has proved well for me. Very good flavor. You get that little bit of vinegar taste, but you get that sweet from the barbecue. Very good combination. So if I was needing more, like if I went 2 ounces of the vinegar sauce, then I'll go 4 ounces of the barbecue sauce. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that barbecue sauce. We're just gonna pour it right on top of our pork tenderloin here. I just wanna brush this all over. Then we'll flip it over and do the same thing. Now we could take this out to the smoker right now just with that barbecue sauce, and that flavor is gonna be amazing. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come in with that Heath Riles honey chipotle rub. I just wanna kind of sprinkle it onto this pork tenderloin. This is a great flavored seasoning. But for 2, it's gonna give it a beautiful color as it sits out there and smokes. Now that we have this seasoned up, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it rest until our smoker fires up. We're gonna set it at 250 degrees, or 225 degrees, I'm sorry. But while it's coming up to temp, we're just gonna let this rest, really soak in that seasoning. All right, before I get this on the smoker, I want y'all to look at just the pure beauty of this pork tenderloin. That right there is directly due to the barbecue sauce mixed with the vinegar sauce, and that seasoning we put on it, and then letting it rest, giving it time to sweat. It's gonna soak some of that seasoning into the meat, and it gives it a beautiful color. So let's get this dude on. All right, we're gonna get this dude on the smoker, 225 degrees. And even at 225, it will not take this very long to smoke. But we got it in. I'm about to put me a temperature probe in it. I want to run it right down in the center there. And once we hit 155 degrees, we're going to pull it off. So we are at 155 degrees. Woo. That looks beautiful, don't it? We're going to get this in the house. Okay, so we've let this pork tenderloin rest about 15 minutes. Beautiful color. You can tell here by the pan, beautiful juice, so it's not dried out. Juicy, so I'm just gonna cut this into medallions. We're gonna get that all important taste test here. Cannot wait. Folks, the flavor on that pork tenderloin is incredible. From that barbecue sauce, the secret barbecue sauce, remember, don't tell anybody. And then that seasoning we put on there, incredible. Juicy, tender. I mean, this is a very easy cook, guys. Just a few simple ingredients, some barbecue sauce, a little bit of seasoning of your choice. It don't have to be the same one that I did, but very good cook, very easy, perfect for Super Bowl Sunday, perfect for any occasion. So y'all please, let me know what you think of the video. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see y'all later.